Hi guys, how you doing today? I'm a freaking moron. I'm an animal owner, responsible, so I'm driving through a freaking blizzard so I can go check on our animals and feed them. We flipped it. Yeah, that's like 1.5 feet, 2 feet of snow on the edge. This is actually good from where I just was. This sucks. This is a state highway. This really sucks. But of course you can see so far, you know, white. It's where this is the edge of the road. At least this road's got the rumble strips on it, so it makes it a little bit easier. But now we're poofing good snow. We're not going very fast. We're in 4-wheel drive. Now we're all over the place because it's catching. There's the middle of the road. Poof, poof, poof. Yeah, this sucks. This really, really sucks. And I even waited till almost 1 o'clock, so maybe it wouldn't be as bad, but yeah, this sucks. Have animals, they says. It'll be fun, they said. I don't even know if I can get through here. I'm not in the turning lane because I know there's a drift that usually forms here. We'll see what we do. Sliding. I run the wipers. Oh, and then the wipers are froze because it's like 9 degrees actual field temperature. It's something like -14 feels like. Now I can't see because the freaking wipers are frozen, didn't wipe it off. The other side's pretty clear. Maybe this way won't be so bad. Own a business, they said. Have animals, it'll be fun. Trying to make it. At least I haven't met a whole lot of people. Though the one guy I met didn't have his headlights on. I wanted to call him a moron, but it was too cold to flag him down to call him a freaking moron. But, ooh, here's some more snow on the edge of the road. I love it when the vehicle just starts moving when you're not moving the wheel. Well, if we crash, at least we're gonna crash together. Be good friends that way. And there's more snow up here. I don't have to remember to watch coming back unless the plow's been through. That other lane looks like it's pretty deep along the edge. Because that looks pretty deep over there. And we're making it. What are we? Another 10-ish miles to work. Ooh, that was deep there. Thank God we missed that drift. That might have pulled us in. I've been trying to go slow, but I got to go a certain speed so that way if we hit too much snow, we can push through it. Got to keep that momentum up, but you don't want too much momentum, so if something happens and you go towards the ditch, you don't get shoved clear down in the bottom, because you get down in the bottom of that ditch today, there ain't nothing bringing you out except the wrecker, and we ain't doing that today. Ooh, look at the snow drifted around the bridge. I mean, that we're looking at 2.5, 3 foot snow right there along that edge. And it comes out around the guardrail. Blizzards. It's so fun, it's so fun. There we go. We can't see, but the roads at least don't have very much snow on it. So fun. say this is a blizzard. We are in a blizzard warning. It's, I don't know, it's 12:35. When I turn my headlights on, my clock stops on my pickup, you know. You'll have them in them $500 fancy trucks. So we're out here trying to make it to work, just to check animals, feed them, check the waters, check the greenhouse, make sure the pilot didn't blow out in the one heater, just because it's windy and sometimes it does that. The blizzard warning started at like 10 a.m. and it's gonna go till 6-ish. I think it's 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. This is Friday, January 12th. And there's gonna be snow right there. Yep, I could feel it. Woo! I may need a drink when I get home. Might have to stop at Casey's and buy something to have when I get home, because it's nerve-wracking. If I didn't love our animals, there's no way in hell I'd have left the house. My driveway was deep enough, I didn't know if we were making it out with the pickup in four-wheel drive, pointing downhill with a run. So, I don't know if we're gonna get back in the driveway. And there was a couple drifts on the gravel that they were at least bumper deep. There's some more snow. I love poofing the snow, but not on highways like this when the weather sucks. Now, what do we got? Quarter-mile visibility, maybe? Good thing is I travel this road so much, it's just unbelievable. I'd hate to guess how many miles I put up and down on this chunk of road, but it's pretty nice to be able to kind of anticipate where I'm at, and I kind of have an idea where the worst spots are, or usually with the wind, which makes it a little bit better. But there's more snow. There's a spot. Ooh, that's deep. That's deep on both sides right there. We'll have to definitely. We may have problems getting home. Not looking forward to that. Ooh, that's deep. And we're on a hill. Oh, we poofed through it good. It was poofy. That's the good thing about this snow, at least. It's poofy. We can get through it pretty easy. Look at that. They're driving on the wrong side of the road there. That's what we got to worry about, somebody hitting us, especially when we can't see. I got my lights on. They're at one spot where it was really snowy. I actually turned my flashers on too, thinking maybe a little bit extra to see the flashy yellow lights. I don't know if it helped or not, but it made me feel a little bit better, because these suck. You guys will have to play a drinking game, rewatch this, and take a drink every time that I say this sucks, because there is some deep snow right there. Oh, you guys probably heard that one. That was solid. Worst of it, it feels like I'm driving about 90 miles an hour with watching the snow blow across the road. Well, we're making it. We're only 2 miles outside of Griswold. And I'll probably shut you guys off, because if Casey's is open, I'm going to top the fuel tank back off, because there's no need to be low, just in case. And might grab something to drink. Non-alcoholic this time. Just give me some sugar and caffeine to keep me awake doing this. go get chores done. I might turn the video back on when I get to the orchard, depending on how it looks. And we'll go from there. But man, this snow's crazy. I definitely would not suggest being out in this if you don't have to be. I feel obligated to try to make it for the animals. They probably could have been fine for the day, but it makes me feel better to try. And now we're playing the guessing game. Where the hell is the road? Because the shoulder over here, ooh, there's something in the road. What is that? Oh, that's plastic. Somebody broke something. I could tell the shoulder of the road was plenty freaking deep. Right here's another one by this mailbox. But I always hate having to get over in the other lane because I don't know if somebody's coming and I just as soon not hit somebody head on. Man, we can't see. Birds are still out flying though. Snow, poof snow. Snow, more snow. Poofing drifts. Well, it looks like Dollar General's open. There's at least a vehicle there. That's always impressive. I don't know if that's an employee's vehicle or what it is. The snow on the edge right here looks really freaking deep. That's what I worry about, is when the drifts come like that and you can't tell where the edge is, and then it just pulls you in and then you're in the ditch and you're screwed. The good thing is I know there's no shoulder or nothing or curb right there, and it has a big shoulder, so. Well, there's a pickup here in the parking lot. The good thing is I know a couple of the people that work here at Casey's, and the one lady lives across the street and the other one lives about 2 blocks down. So, and there's a car in the parking lot where I see, ooh, this deep. Thank God for 4-wheel drive. I would have never made it without 4-wheel drive. And a pickup with decent tires. But here we go. I'm parked. And I will talk to you guys later.